If your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones keep turning off or powering off automatically, then in this guide I'll show you how to disable the auto power off feature of your Sony XM5 so that it doesn't shut down by itself. First of all, if you don't want to turn on your headphones when you pick it up after some time, then you can disable the auto turn off feature from the Headphones app. So open the Headphones app on either your iPhone or Android device. Then you'll need to go to System, scroll down to Automatic Power Off, expand the drop-down menu, and select Do Not Turn Off. Now your headphones won't turn off even when you're not using it. And in case if your headphones keep turning off in the middle of audio playback, then this can happen if you have Speak to Chat enabled. To turn it off, you'll need to go to the Sound tab and disable Speak to Chat from here. If the problem persists, there's also a known bug where your headphones will turn off suddenly at the middle of listening to music, even when Speak to Chat is disabled. In that case, first you can try resetting your headset. To do that, first turn it off, then hold down the power and noise cancelling button together for 7 seconds. The LED will blink rapidly, which means it's now reset. If it doesn't fix the problem, then your only solution is disabling automatic power off until Sony fixes it. And that's how simply you can stop your Sony WH-1000XM5 from turning off automatically. If this helped, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more.